With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. A simple pendulum with bob of mass m and length x is held in position at an angle θ1 and then angle θ2 with the vertical. When released from this position, speeds with which it passes the lowest positions are v1 and v2 respectively. Then v1 is to v2 is, and there are four options given as you can see in this. Okay. So let me draw the diagram first and then I will explain. Okay, suppose a pendulum is released from this position which is making an angle theta with vertical. Then at what speed it will cross the lowest position? Let me calculate this first. Okay, so how we will calculate? Here you can see loss in gravitational potential energy. Loss in gravitational potential energy of this bob will convert it into kinetic energy at lowest position. So loss in gravitational potential energy means mg into vertical height fall by this bob, vertical height. So we have to calculate this vertical height, and for this you can see this is a right angle triangle and this is L. So from here this is L cos theta, and total length of this string is L. Let's say, assume it, the total length of this string is L. So this height you can say this is L minus L cos theta. That means this is equals to L into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, if we want to calculate the speed of this bob at lowest position, we have to use conservation of energy principle. That means loss in gravitational potential energy. Loss in gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is equals to gain in kinetic energy. Gain in kinetic energy. So loss in gravitational potential energy equals to mg into vertical height fall, which is equals to h, and gain in kinetic energy equals to half m v square. From here you can see 2 and 2 cancel, so v square is equals to 2g into h is L into 1 minus cos theta. H is equals to 1 minus L into 1 minus cos theta. So this is equals to, in this case, speed at lowest position is under root 2gl 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now in this question you can see from two vertical position, when at angle theta and theta2 it is released, and at mean position speed is v1 and v2 and length is given x. So put these values and find the value of v1 and v2. So v1 is equals to under root 2g and length is given x 1 minus angle from vertical, in this case is θ1, and for v2 length will remain same, length of the string will remain same x, but angle is given which is θ2. Now take the ratio of v1 and v2, v1 by v2, this will be equals to 2gx cancel out, under root 1 minus cos θ1 upon 1 minus cos θ2. So this is the final answer, 1 minus cos θ1 root under 1 minus cos θ1 upon 1 minus cos θ2. So this is our final answer. I hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.